Hello, for Uber?
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Pretty good, man.
Good, well, come on in. What's the name?
What's my name?
Oh, no, you gotta say my name for the Uber. What's your name?
What do you mean, say your name?
It's the security, because I'm the driver, so I have to make
Well,
sure.
I'm the passenger.
I know you're the passenger, obviously, but you gotta say my name for the... I have to make sure.
What do you mean you gotta... I'm paying.
I know you're paying, but, like, you could be a stranger. I don't know if you're the right guy.
Well, it's always a stranger. I gotta know if I'm good.
Okay, well, you didn't do a picture on your app, so what's the name?
What's my name?
I'm not telling you. You gotta say my name. Say my name right now. Are you literally being a one-star passenger? Like, dude, I could kick you out right now and call the police.
Oh, no, I need to get somewhere. My name's Gabe.
Was it that difficult? Dude, you're literally ruining my day.
You do... I could get out.
You know what? Shut up. Sit down. Put on your seatbelt.
Jeez.
Let's go. I don't have time for losers like you.
Losers?
Yeah, look at you. Look the way you're dressed.
Dude, you and me, we got the same glasses. What are you talking about?
Okay, well, mine fit my face better, so.
What do you mean? We look the same.
All right, so are you gonna put your seatbelt on or what? Because we gotta go. I gotta make money.
No, can we just go?
No, this is not 1945. We wear seatbelts now.
What do you mean? It's just not cool.
Okay, well, I don't know what you want. Like,
I want us to go.
I'm not driving until you put on your seatbelt, okay?
What?
Because it's literally legal. I'm pretty sure that's like legal.
Well, Mexicans are illegal too. Look at me. But
oh, did you come into this country or what? Thank you. Jeez. You're literally one-star passenger.